Hey Songbird, Kerri Ho from the Songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And can you believe it? We're up to day 14 of 21 days to your new voice. That's like 2/3 of the way into your journey. How amazing is that? I want to give you a high five and I want to say well done. It's so great that you've actually made it this far. So what are we going to do today? We're actually going to do another song application video today. So what that's about, again, is taking the exercises that we've been discussing and actually thinking, how do we actually apply that into a particular song in order to make the song sound better and in order to make you feel better as you sing it. Exercises are always directly applicable to songs. They're not just some things that we kind of practice in isolation. We do our vocalizers here and then we sing here. No, they can be married together in order for you to really make it count, make your song sound so much better and apply all the wonderful techniques that you learn in the exercises into a song. So what are we doing today? We're going to use the ooh exercise in order for you to really just get better at your singing and applying that exercise. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go and find a song where it's just that little bit too high for you, okay? There's a lot of high notes, there's a lot of head voice in it. I want you to go and grab that song right now, okay? All right, so assuming you've got your song in your hands, so exciting now because you're on the way to making it sound a whole heap better and making it feel a whole heap more comfortable. So what you're going to do is take that song, maybe it's the whole song, maybe it's one section of a song, whatever the part is where there are quite a few high notes and especially head voice notes where you really want to be able to feel more freedom. And then what I want you to do is to actually sing the song but on an ooh and on an operatic ooh, okay? So you're going to go ooh, whatever, okay, through your song. That's what you're going to do. That's step one. All right? So you'll do that and you'll feel a bit silly, but you're going to do that again and you're probably going to feel a slightly less silly and you'll do it again. And you just get to a point where you just feel like you're having the best fun. You're an opera diva and you're oohing this beautiful song and it's feeling super comfortable now, okay? Once you get to that place, I then want you to sing the words in that space. So even though it's probably a contemporary song that you've chosen, or whatever song it is, it doesn't matter what the genre is, I want you to then sing the words in that operatic space. Okay, so you're going to pretend you're an opera singer basically, and you're going to sing the words this time though. But you're going to still keep your jaw in a ooh shape. You're going to have that the length in the jaw. You're going to have that sophistication in the way that you articulate your words, and you're just going to be a flat-out opera diva, okay? And once you do that, you're probably going to feel a bit silly, but then you do it again, you feel a bit less silly, you do it again and again and again, until it feels pretty comfortable, and you're like, oh, the strain's gone. But then you're like, but that's not the song, that's not how the song sounds like, it's not an opera song. That's okay! Remember, we are applying a technique into a song in order to make it sound better, and there are steps that you've got to take before it actually sounds like the way you want, okay? Alright, so you've done the ooh exercise, you've sung it in an operatic, the words in the ooh space. Now it's time for you to start playing around with starting to make it, like sing it in a normal place now, paring back the operaticness little bit by little bit by little bit by little bit. Okay, until it sort of sounds pretty normal again. But here's the catch here. You're actually still going to maintain that sort of really open feeling in the throat that you had in the opera exercise, right? And it's going to help you to make it sound so much better. And you're going to sound so much more, you're going to feel so much more comfortable, okay? So that's it. They're the 3 steps you need to take. Ooh the song operatically, sing the words in the ooh space, still operatically, and then start to sing it in the normal genre of it, right, whatever that is, but you're going to start, trying to maintain that same feeling of that beautiful, majestic openness and expansion in the throat. And I want to see how that actually affects the sound of the song for you and the feeling of the song in your throat. I'm really excited to hear how it goes, so do let me know. Alrighty, so if you're really enjoying these bite-sized lessons to 21 days to your new voice, that's so cool. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. If you're really keen to just get into a really kind of meaty vocal warm-up completely for free, click on the link below and you'll be taken to my website where you can sign up to get my ultimate vocal warm-up guide completely free. So go and get your hands on that. You're gonna absolutely love it. And in the meantime, keep on practicing the ooh exercise and applying it to songs. And I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 15 of 21 days to your new voice. See you later.